Ta-zukuri will prepare a traditional Japanese dish, OSECHI Ryori. In Japan, we enjoy OSECHI Ryori traditional New Year's cuisine on New Year's Day to celebrate the new year. This time, he will serve the dish using commercial products for small families.
Oh, it's exciting.
Osechi cuisine is a course meal similar to Japanese kaiseki cuisine and is roughly divided into 5 types: Iwai-zakana, Kuchi-tori, Yakimono, Suno-mono, and Nimono. Each dish has an auspicious meaning. The meaning is in the description. We use lacquer box called Jubako for arrangement the dishes. The official number of layers for Osechi cuisine is 4 layers, but currently 3 layers are popular. The rule of the arrangement in the table.
First, decorative plants are gathered from the garden. In particular, Nanta-nandina is a useful plant that adds color to the New Year spirit. Preparation of yuzu bowl. Yuzu is used to make yuzu bowls. Hollow out the contents like this. Use the inside for the yuzu juice and the outside for the bowl. Place namasu in this bowl. Namasu, known as a vinegar dish, is made by cutting daikon radishes and carrots into strips and dressing them with vinegar, sugar, and dashi Japanese soup stock. The aroma of the yuzu is transferred to the namasu, giving it a nice fresh flavor. Next, he prepares kamaboko, a steamed fish paste. In this case, he will decorate kamaboko with a rain shape. Cut a thin slit on the surface, cut a slit in the middle, and thread the slit through the inside of the fish paste. Next, cut Date-maki.
Since books were made into scrolls in the past, Date-maki looks like a book, so it is a wish for more knowledge.
This is a Kobu-maki, kelp roll. First, place well-shaped ingredients like kamaboko and Date-maki in the 4 corners. Place Kuromake, black soybeans in the middle. Place the Ta-zukuri. These are small sardines cooked in soy sauce, mirin and sugar. Nantan is added for color. The first layer is finished. The second layer is usually a grilled dish. This time, grilled chicken barbecue is added to the box. Ham and shrimp are also added. The Sunomono, namasu with yuzu bowl is also added. The third layer is filled with boiled and seasoned vegetables. Curry kintan, the chestnut paste was placed in the center of the box. Once the first, second, and third layers are stacked, the Osechi Ryori cuisine is complete. Place the Osechi dishes using serving chopsticks on small plates.
Wow! Toso is a special sake we drink on New Year's Day to prevent illness in the new year and pray for longevity. I enjoy the double-oak sake, white-colored sake, and masu sake with salt. Any leftover food can be replated and enjoyed the next day.
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.